Welcome to this REX615 operation video. In this video, you will be introduced to the process of identifying, clearing, and acknowledging disturbances in the protection relay. The clear button is used to reset, acknowledge, or clear all messages and indications, including LEDs and latched outputs, as well as registers and recordings. Press clear to activate the clear view. Select the item to be cleared with up or down buttons. Press enter, change the value with up or down buttons and press enter again. The item is now cleared. To clear other items, repeat these steps. Alternatively, the clear button can be used as a shortcut for clearing. Keep the clear button pressed for 3 seconds and confirm yes by pressing enter. To clear programmable LEDs, continue pressing the clear button for 3 more seconds and confirm yes with enter. To clear all, continue pressing the clear button for 2 more seconds after this. Confirm to clear all with enter.